welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to take a look at Bitcoin and the overall crypto market cap as a whole, take a look at some altcoins because there's some very interesting moves happening right now in the market. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $43,612, down about 1.54% on the day. Bitcoin dominance is trading at 51.81%. It is absorbing some more of that liquidity from the market. It has increased. When you exclude stablecoins, it's more so like 53.81%. Almost at that 54% price level, which is very interesting. We're starting to see a lot of this liquidity move out of these altcoins and move into Bitcoin. So there's a lot of rumors going around, guys, and I want to talk about that. There's a lot of rumors about this Bitcoin spot ETF potentially getting approved today. Usually Fridays are when ETFs and security news is presented. And there's a rumor that it's going to be announced today. But, guys, a rumor is a rumor. I would say I don't recommend opening any trades based on that rumor, but we'll have to see what happens here. But as of right now, we are just chopping around until the 10th. I mean, until the 10th is the deadline. It could be pushed back. I mean, the deadline doesn't really mean that much. We've had like 10 other deadlines before this deadline, but this is the one that's supposed to be it. It's it's pretty interesting. But until we get to the 10th, I won't be surprised if we see price action to continue this way, how we're seeing it play out. Just very choppy, up against that $45,000 price level, which is a very important price level. It's a sign of strength. It's strength that we haven't peeled over yet until the news comes out around the 10th, or if we get news before the 10th saying that it was approved or rejected or delayed. Probably going to be just stuck up here in this price range between, say, 42,000 and 45,000. That's probably an appropriate price level to be looking at. But guys, be patient. Don't get shaken out. We saw some of these moves play out over the past few days, and they were quite volatile. I mean, when we look a little bit closer to the 4-hour, we can kind of give you a better idea of what I'm talking about here. I mean, look at these sweeps. It's so crazy. Just sweeping out the longs, sweeping out the shorts. It's just it's cleaning the table, getting the chessboard ready for a game. As we get closer to this Bitcoin SPY ETF approval or rejection, as well as we get closer to this Bitcoin halving, which is the next trade that we should be talking about. Because I will say, guys, I've been thinking about this. I mean, how many of you are really going to buy a Bitcoin spot ETF? When it comes to retail investors, I don't really think that it's going to do that much. The thing that's going to really affect the price is going to be institutions like pension funds purchasing Bitcoin when they're allowed to purchase the Bitcoin, which will take some time. It's not going to happen at a snap of a finger. I think that a lot of the retail that know about the Bitcoin SPY ETF have already bought. But I do also think that there's a lot of retail that don't know about the Bitcoin SPY ETF, and we could see a little bit of a leg up, which could bring some attention back to the market, which could bring a lot of players that want to come dip their toes in the crypto space again, like how they usually do as the price comes up before we come down. Maybe just one last little leg up to say 49,000, 48,000 in that area. I've been talking about this for a while. I think that the most appropriate thing to happen here, if we get our last little leg up here, would be a move to say 48,000, maybe even low 50,000s, with a pullback to say 45,000 or maybe even like 37,000 to make a new higher low. Guys, I want to see a higher low. A higher low would be very, very nice to see, because if we get that higher low, it creates a market structure and it shows bullish continuation, and it shows healthy bullish continuation. Seeing these stair steps like that would be pretty nice to see before we are set up to go off to the races after the halving, which is only a few months away, guys. It's pretty incredible. We've been making videos on the Crypto Report every single day And I've been going over this, been looking at these halvings, and it's crazy how close we are. I remember it seems just like yesterday we were down in the pits of the FTX collapse, and now look where we're at. Some big moves. Be patient, guys. Don't get shaken out. It's going to get pretty wacky and whiplashy. That's what I've been talking about. It's going to be pretty whiplashy. That's what we've been seeing. We've been seeing the flushing the longs, flushing the shorts. We're seeing that happening over and over again. But the important thing to take note of is this Bitcoin dominance level. Right now, it's starting to absorb some more liquidity, which I think is an appropriate move here, especially as it gets ready for this, hopefully, approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. It's a bullish thing. Hopefully, it's not a sell the news event, and I think that people are positioning themselves accordingly in case it is a very bullish event, and that's why you're seeing some of this liquidity move out of these altcoins into Bitcoin. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please go follow me on Twitter at 333 Blacksea. I'm very active over there. I just bought a new NFT. I think I'm going to switch my NFT profile picture. I like how this looks. I don't even know. I think this collection is called Punk Lines. I'm not sponsored or anything by it, but it just caught my eye. I like it. I've been after an NFT with a wizard hat, so I finally found one, and I think I might change my profile picture. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. But that's all I got for you guys. Check out some awesome referral links we have down below this video. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. That's all I got. Be patient, guys. Don't get shaken out. Don't sell your crypto to BlackRock and these other institutions. If you're here right now, you're in a good position. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.